Okay, so we're going to do, so we've got A minor, 2 on the A minor, 2 on the D7, and then 4 on the G. We're going to do that twice. And then the third time, we've got A minor, D7 to E minor 7, 4 on that, which is a G without a nose. And then the last one, we've got 2 on the A minor, 2 on the D7, 4 on the G. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I guess it's funnier from where you're standing. 'Cause from over here I miss the joke. Cleared the way from my crash landing. I've done it again. Another number for your notes. I'd be smiling if it wasn't so desperate. I'd be patient if I had the time. I could stop and answer all of your questions as soon as I find out how I can move from the back of